Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss preventing communicable diseases. Means how can we prevent ourselves from communicable diseases. Before starting our topic, let's discuss how do communicable diseases spread. Communicable diseases means diseases that can transmit from one person to another. Diseases that can transmit from one person to another. And how do these diseases spread? Through direct contact and air. Through food and water and through animals. And today we will discuss how can we prevent ourselves from these communicable diseases. So let's start our topic. Number 1, through sunlight and heat. As you all know that sunlight is a natural disinfectant and it kills the microbes, and heat also kills the microbes. What we have to do, we should wash bed sheets, mattresses and clothes that an infected person has used, and we should expose them to sunlight. In this way, germs will be killed by the sunlight, and we should boil, or we should give heat to our food till boiling. We should boil our food to kill microbes. Clear till here? The next way to prevent from communicable diseases, clean water and drinking. In my last video, I told you that communicable diseases can also be spread through contaminated food and water, as contaminated food and water contains germs that can cause many diseases, and if we will remove those germs, we can prevent ourselves from communicable diseases. And how can we clean water? Boiling clean water and food. And how can we clean water? Boiling, chlorinating. Chlorinating means adding of chlorine. You all know that chlorine kills the germs. And using water filters. In this way, we can kill the germs from the water, or we can clean our water. As you all know that contaminated water contains many germs. So we should drink clean and germ free water, as it keeps us safe from many diseases such as typhoid, jaundice, and cholera. There are some other ways also to prevent communicable diseases, like we should wash our hands frequently before and after eating the food. We should wash fruits and vegetables before using them. And we should always keep our food covered. As I told you that uncovered food that can be contaminated by the flies. So we should keep our food covered to protect it from flies. And the last one is we should store our food and water in covered containers. Then I told you that communicable diseases can also be spread through the animals, like mosquitoes can spread many diseases, malaria and dengue. So how can we prevent mosquitoes and flies to spread diseases? So we will discuss here preventing. For that we have to prevent the mosquitoes and flies from breeding. Here we will discuss the ways how can we prevent mosquitoes and flies from breeding. Preventing mosquitoes and flies breeding. You all know that mosquitoes breed or lay their eggs in stagnant water. Stagnant means dirty water. So we should follow the following steps to prevent the mosquito breeding. We should keep water tanks covered. Then we should not let water to collect in ditches, drainages, ports, vessels and coolers. Do not let water to collect in ditches, drainages, pots, vessels and coolers. And if there is any leakage from the taps, from the ACs, from the coolers, we should repair that leakage as soon as possible. So what we have to do here? Repair or prevent water leakage from taps, ACs and coolers. We should wear full sleeved shirts and trousers. We should ensure that drains and sewers should be clean, and we should spray insecticides regularly. These are the ways by which we can prevent the mosquito breeding. And now we will discuss how can we prevent flies breeding. Flies breed in dirt and garbage. So what we should do to prevent flies breeding? We should cover all dustbins. We should dispose of garbage properly. And last but not least, we should not allow heap of garbage to collect in or around the house. So these are the ways by which we can keep our surroundings clean and we can prevent ourselves from communicable diseases. You all should follow these steps to keep your surroundings clean. Thank you and have a nice day.